All the ingredients have a different meaning. Like this is a lime juice. This one symbolizes the refreshing and new beginning. So whatever happened the last year, you forget the bad feelings. You start this year, new beginnings. And this is a Seksyen peanuts. This one symbolizes the seeds of greatness. You may be here the Chinese person, today will be not English person. And this is the field now I put the seeds for Plum for this upcoming year. And this is the oil. This one symbolizes the smooth journey. So this upcoming year your journey will be very smoothly. If you face any problem, you can solve your problem very easily. And this is the spices powder. This one will make your life more colorful this upcoming year. Yes. So you will be shining in here.
Spice up the life.
And this is the plum sauce. This one symbolizes the enjoy your working, keep smiling, makes your life happy. So after all everything done, after the year, you will be get the recognition bonus from your boss, from your parents. Wow. One thing, double bonus. On behalf of Little Heritage House, we wish the place Chinese New Year is beautiful. We pray all things will become true, good health, lot of prosperity and happiness.
Amen.